Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're discussing how to fix Discord unable to confirm payment method. Alright, so firstly guys, you need to make sure that your payment details that you've entered are correct. You need to double check your card number, expiration date, CVC and billing address. Even a small typo can trigger this error. So to check this, go into your settings and then navigate to billing. And in here you will have all of your payments methods. You can also add one if you want, so card or PayPal, and just make sure that you're entering everything correctly. So as you can see, card number, you also can do autofill, expiration date, CVC and name on the card. That's also important. You should be inputting your name on the card exactly as it says on the card itself, and just like you have your name on a passport. Alright, if that didn't help, and if details are correct and it still doesn't work, you can try using a different card or payments option. So Discord accepts most major credit and debit cards, PayPal in supported regions, and prepaid cards sometimes don't go through. So for that, for example, in my case I have two payments options, which is card and PayPal. So in your case you can try PayPal. Alright, so you just log in this little window in here. So your email and password, log in, tie your account, and now you can pay with PayPal. Also guys, sometimes the bank itself blocks the charge for security reasons. So you can call your bank or check your mobile banking app to see if the payment attempt was declined. Ask them to approve charges from Discord or Stripe, which is the payments processor Discord uses. And also guys, lastly, if everything looks fine but the error still persists, you can try cleaning Discord's cache, updating the app, or using the desktop version instead of mobile. Switching platforms often resolves this issue. So hopefully any of these fixes help you. If they did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to us, and I will see you in the next video.